everyone and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a New Year's prep vlog, kind of just like prepping for the new year. I just wanted this to be like super chill, like you guys are literally just hanging out with me. I just wanna have a really productive day. I wanna take down all my Christmas decorations, bring out all of my like regular kind of all year decorations, and I just kind of have a long to-do list. I just wanna like clean and kind of get out of holiday mode and get into like regular productive everyday life mode, if that makes sense. Get ready for the new year and just kind of have a productive day, take you guys along with. The first step is getting coffee, of course. It's kind of like the middle of the day and I've kind of had just like a slow start to the day and just not been productive. I need a little bit of fuel. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely thumbs up if you like watching vlogs. If you'd like to see some more vlogs on my channel, subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's about to be my turn. And on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. Okay, I got the coffee. She said it's like extra full. It's like oozing out the top. We love that. We love some extra coffee. I'm just gonna sip this in really quick. Gonna take a little sip. It's so good. It's like extra coffee-y today. I'm back home. I got my coffee. It is literally so good today. Basically, my plans are to just kind of get organized. Personally, I thrive on organization, consistency, routine, being on a schedule. I just kind of want to take today to kind of get organized and take the Christmas decorations down. So I have kind of a list on my phone of what I want to do. Mainly taking down my Christmas decorations, doing a little bit of a deep clean. I kind of am on a bit of a time crunch today. And then I just want to kind of get all of my regular decorations put up, kind of switch out my candles and soap. Actually need to set up my new Nespresso because I got a new Nespresso for Christmas. I'll link my what I got for Christmas haul here if you guys want to check it out. I've been using this red one that a family friend gave to me that they just didn't want. I'm wanting to upgrade it to kind of go with the vibe, the aesthetic, the color scheme of my apartment. So I got a black and silver one for Christmas, which is so exciting. So I actually need to unbox it and set it up. I just have some other things I kind of want to do to just kind of prep for the new year, just kind of prepping and planning. I actually did a whole video, kind of like a 2022 reset of like making my goals, making my vision board, just like a whole bunch of things. So I'll link that here if you guys want to check that out. So I won't be really making any goals because I kind of already did that. Before I can even really get started, I think I just need to kind of clean because it really is so messy. Like, I'm embarrassed. This is the current situation of my room. So I guess it's not that bad, but I do have like some random stuff, a whole bunch of stuff here. My desk is super messy. So I just set up my new color changing lights that I got for Christmas. I set them up with my other lamp as well. And I think they're really cool. You can like adjust it. I'm just gonna leave it hot pink for right now. The time has come to unbox my new Nespresso. So I got the Virtuo model. This is the one I had before and I really loved it. So I'm just gonna unbox this. I'm really excited. This is where I'm gonna put it. This is where I had the one before. It was a little dusty, so I wiped it all down. So let's just unbox it. Got the manuals. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. I think these are some pods like to try. Ooh, and the milk frother. You can froth the milk cold or hot. Now for the big reveal, the actual machine. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. It looks so good. This is what it looks like. This one is gonna look so sleek and so nice and really just go with the color scheme. Like everything in here is neutral, so it's really just gonna go so well and it's gonna be so fresh and nice. Here is what it looks like. It looks so nice. I feel like it really just goes so well. So let's get it all set up. Here is what it looks like. I feel like I had something here. I'm gonna have to look at pictures because I don't remember. I do need to wash that out, and I need to run like a cleaning cycle on this before it's actually ready to use. Here it is, just kind of like unboxed, and I think it looks really nice. I've got everything pretty much like picked up, so now I'm gonna start taking all the Christmas decorations down, start putting all the regular decorations up. Let's just go ahead and get started. And this is just from the kitchen area. I think I got all the Christmas decorations, so now I just need to actually get them all put away in their little tubs, and then I'm gonna dust and vacuum before I put all of my like regular decorations out. The Christmas decorations are all packed up in these little tubs. I got all the Christmas decorations packed up into tubs, and I moved them all to my garage. I have like a whole flight of stairs, and they were super heavy, so I broke a sweat. That was like a workout. I don't know why my lights are flickering. I don't know if you can tell, but they definitely, it's like Stranger Things. Anyways, the sun has now set and it is dark outside, so hopefully the lighting isn't too terrible. I'm just gonna try to wrap this up. I feel like this is taking so long. It always takes longer than you think, but I'm just gonna get all the regular decorations set out. I do wanna actually dust everything before I put all the new stuff out. So I'm just working on this shelf from IKEA, and I just need to figure out something for over here. I still need to wipe the shelf down. This is how it's looking so far. I don't think I'm gonna get to the Christmas tree today. I also don't know when I'm gonna edit this because I'm actually going out of town tomorrow morning to spend New Year's with my sister's boyfriend family. I'm currently filming this on December 30th, and I wanted to upload this on New Year's or New Year's Day. I don't think I'm gonna get everything on my to-do list done. I'm definitely not gonna finish the tree tonight. I got almost everything done. I did get all of the Christmas decorations except for the tree taken down, and I've got almost everything back up and back to normal. I just wanted to do a quick haul of some stuff I recently picked up from Target. So I went to Target with my sister, and we just picked up some things for the new year. In the front section where everything's like $1 to $5, they had a lot of cute spring things. They also had a lot of cute like planners and notebooks. I did pick up a few things from there, like little spring decorations. I also just picked up some things for the new year, so I thought I would do a little haul. Target trip to start off the new year is always necessary, especially if you're needing like a cute little planner or just some like organizational things for the new year. I got this little desk organizer. I've seen this kind of like in YouTube videos and pictures and stuff like that. I've been wanting it for a while, so I thought I would just pick this up to see if it kind of helps with my desk organization. I ordered something similar to this from Amazon a while ago. It was like an acrylic stand, and it just didn't fit on my desk. So I thought I would give this a try. So I will set it up here in a second and see. I picked up a few little decorations. So I got this little thing, like a little vase, and then I also got these little fake flowers to kind of put in it. These were like literally $3, and this was $3. I also got this little basket, which would be cute to put like a little plant in. I also got this little planter. I probably won't keep both. I just thought I would see which one looks better. I might keep both, I don't know. So I also got this one. They were only like $3 or $5. This one has a draining hole, which a lot of planters don't come with. So I thought that was a good deal. I also got this one. This was literally $1 and it's this little planter. And it also has a draining hole and it has like a little plug, so if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I just thought $1 was too good of a deal to pass up. Last but not least, I got a book. One of my New Year's goals is to read more. I would say a book a month, but I feel like I probably just won't keep that goal, so we're just gonna say read more. I got this book. Everybody is always talking about this book. Apparently it's really good. I actually really don't know anything about this, but my sister was getting it and she was like, you should get it too and then you can read it with me. Like, okay, and that will actually help me keep my goal of reading more. Definitely comment below your book recommendations. So that's everything from Target, just a few things to kind of help me get started with the new year, a couple new things. I'm just gonna see how this looks with my desk and see if it fits. It does fit, like it does work, and I can just put my keyboard up here like when I'm not using it. Kind of looks a little bit awkward. It would be nice to have this little drawer here. I feel like it looks almost more comfortable for this to just be sitting on the desk. It kind of almost looks unstable and also like makes this like really tall. So I'm not sure how I feel. I do kind of have mixed feelings. Comment your thoughts below because I'm really not sure. I didn't get everything on my to-do list done, but I'm just gonna have to do that a different day because I am like out of time. Like it is dark outside, and when it gets dark outside, I just like, I'm done. I don't know about you guys. I just like lose all of my motivation. I already made all of my New Year's goals and I showed that in a different video. I do want to take some time to really just plan, but I think I'm also gonna film that for a different video, like how I plan and stay organized and set up my digital calendar and stuff for a new year, kind of just schedule out the year. And I kind of just like want to make a list of some habits that I want to implement in the new year. So like reading, working out. I want to try to do the 12-3-30 consistently, maybe not like every day, but maybe like 3 or 4 times a week, maybe 5 times a week if I'm feeling crazy. Drinking more water. So the only thing left to do is just deep cleaning, which I will probably do tomorrow when I am not tired and I'm just feeling fresh. I think that is pretty much everything for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you're looking forward to in 2022. And definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful new year. I don't know when I'll end up posting this. If I end up posting it later, I hope you guys had a great New Year's, or if I end up posting it before that, I hope you guys have a great New Year's. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.